Hello! If you do not have your board marker and eraser or paper and a pencil, go ahead and pause this video right now and grab your materials. Today we're going to be talking about the first part of lesson 1.3, and that is comparing big numbers. I'm going to show you two ways to be able to solve these problems when you're looking at two large numbers, a trick and a tip on how to solve your problems quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is we have two numbers and we are going to use our place value chart. Now as a quick review, we have our unit or our ones period. We have ones, tens, and hundreds, and then we have our thousands period, which has our thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy our numbers and place them into our place value chart. Now a tip on how to copy our numbers into our place value charts. It's going to seem a little silly, but I have the number 65,341, and let's say it's kind of challenging for me to know what box to begin in. I always just start when I'm writing my numbers in the place value chart, I just always start with the smallest number. So I have a 1, a 4-digit, a 3-digit, and then I have a 5-digit and a 6-digit. So then I compare, do I have the same number, 65 in the thousands period and 341 in the ones period or the unit period? I do. So I'm going to use that as a reference because it looks like these two numbers are the exact same length, and I have 83,935. So if that tip helps you convert or change your numbers into your place value chart by starting in the ones place and moving to the left, try that tip. All right, so now when I am comparing big numbers, the only place value that I want to pay attention to first is the biggest place value possible. So I don't have anything in the millions place, I don't have anything in the 100,000s place, but I do have digits in the 10,000s place. This 6-digit is worth 60,000. This 8-digit is worth 80,000. So what's larger, 60,000 M&Ms or 80,000 M&Ms? I'm going to go with 80,000 M&Ms. So that means that this number, 83,935, is larger. So I'm going to put that greater than symbol facing the 83,935. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at another example, and our next example is 57,341 compared to 53,997. So I'm going to copy in my first number. Again, I'm going to use the same strategy that I had before. I'm going to start writing them from the ones place over. I know it's backwards. Don't do that when you normally write, guys. And then I have 53,997. Wow, so that ones unit or that basic unit seems a lot larger, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and compare. We have nothing in the millions. We have nothing in the 100,000s. But I do have digits in the 10,000s. Go ahead and on your board, write down which number you think is larger. Go. All right, so let's see if you are correct. We have the exact same digit in the 10,000s place, so that tells me I'm not even going to pay attention to it. I'm going to move over to the thousands column. Okay, I have a 7-digit and I have a 3-digit. Well, what's worth more? 7,000 M&Ms or 3,000 M&Ms? I don't know about you, but I sure would rather have 7,000 M&Ms than 3,000. So that means that this number, 57,341, is larger. All right, let's go ahead and look at our next example. We have a little bit larger of a number. We have the number 126,920 compared to 126,902. Go ahead and pause this video right now, fill in your place value charts, and solve. All right, so if I'm filling in my place value chart, I have the number 126,920 And then I have the number, again, 126,902. Now, a large majority of this number is all the same when we're comparing, right? We have 1 is the same. We have a 2 that's the same, a 6 that's the same, and now we're in the ones period and I have a 9 that's the same. So now in the tens place, I have a 2 and a 0. Well, what's more, 20 M&Ms or 0 M&Ms? 20 M&Ms. So that means that the number 126,920 is larger. Okay, our last example. We will have, I want for you to try to solve this without using your place value chart. If you need your place value chart, you're more than welcome to use it. Pause this video and solve. All right, I have the number $302,838. Now, just because there's a dollar symbol does not mean that we're changing how we solve our problems. It just means that in a real-world experience or a real-world example, now we're dealing with money instead of just M&Ms or whatever you have for your number. Compared to $320,838. So let's go ahead and look place value by place value. From the left to the right, I have a 3 and a 3. It's the same, right? Okay, so now let's move over to our 10,000s place. I have a 0 and I have a 2. Well, what's larger, the 0 or the 2? The 2 is larger, isn't it? So that tells me that without even having to look at the other digits, I know that 320,000 something something is larger than 302,000 something something. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye.